Hey IED, so you guys are going to be creating your own nameplate. Feel free to play with the font and change up your lettering on there. Just as long as you have your nameplate, it will be your first name, your last name, and then the PLTW engineering. And then you're going to have to take a snippet of your nameplate and upload it to the assignment. So if you don't remember how to get to snipping tool, click down here, which is type here to search in your search box. It should be there since you guys have already used it. So just open up your snipping tool. This is going to pop up. This menu will pop up here. Go ahead and hit the new button. And then all you have to do is, I'm going to start from this side of the corner and then just take a snippet. Make sure that the orientation of your nameplate, I can see it somewhat at an angle where I can see it. Copy it. If you copy it, all you have to do is paste it in a Google Doc in your Google Classroom assignment, or you can always just file and do save as and upload the file that way. So you choose however you want to do it. All right, bye.